Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Tuesday, July 26th. And once again, we're up north in northern lower Michigan and across the eastern UP here for the last couple of days. And we'll be back from vacation late tonight, so we'll have a full update tomorrow. And we'll be back to work actually on Thursday. But certainly we got some decent weather coming up. We have a chance for some showers and thunder showers as we get into Wednesday night, and Thursday looks like our best chance. And then some on the scattered basis right through Saturday. Now most of the time it won't be raining. There'll be plenty of dry hours, so don't cancel any plans. Just be aware that there could be a shower or thunder shower at any given time beginning Wednesday night. And again, don't look for a heavy amount of precipitation. Looks like possibly up to a half inch over the next 4 or 5 days. Some of the models had given us quite a bit more, the European, but it's trending south, and the GFS is certainly much weaker as far as the amount of precipitation that we might expect. If we go to the next slide here, hopefully you can see up north at Castle Rock, and we're all pretty winded after climbing up all those stairs. You don't realize how bad you're out of shape until you climb up those steps. If we look at current conditions across the area this morning, temperatures mainly in the 60s across the southern part of the state, 50s off to the north, and we certainly got some cooler or some lower dew points and humidities. Because of that, you can see again temperatures in the 60s across the southern part of the state, 50s off to the north, and you can see dew points down in the 50s. That's a very comfortable air mass, and certainly if you had windows open last night, good sleeping weather. And there's nothing out there on the MAC lightning detection system right now, and that's because the radar is clear this morning. Again, not until tomorrow night do we expect any chances of a rain. You can see on the forecast map for this morning, our next weather maker will be dropping as a cold front out of the northwestern parts of the Midwest, and it'll head for the Great Lakes again, bringing us a low chance for showers and thunderstorms once we get into Wednesday night and into Thursday. And you can see by Wednesday morning that cold front now coming across the northern part of the state, and again by late in the day that'll touch off a few showers and thunder showers. And as that front moves through on Thursday, again chances of showers and thunder showers. And you can see at another cold front with all these fronts dropping south, you'd think this maybe is going to be a cool pattern we're getting into, but that's just not the case. Overall the warm weather is flooding much of North America, and so we're going to see mainly a little bit less in the way of humidity and not excessive heat, although we may get some pretty good warm up beginning later next week. We could see another push at 90-degree weather, but until then lots of 80s, so pretty good summer pattern we're going to be into here over the next week or so. As far as precipitation from the WPC, this is over the next 5 days. You can see mainly about a quarter to a half inch, with maybe a little bit more in the way, and the heaviest rains looks as though they're going to be off to the south. And if we look at the forecast on the GFS, you can see over the next several days, it looks like the heaviest amount of precipitation is going to be across the southern part of the state, and that matches up pretty good with European. Now, yesterday's European had about anywhere from an inch to 2 inches of rain across much of northern lower Michigan. That has since shifted it from around Muskegon to Saginaw south, and only around a half to an inch. And again, we'll have to watch that trend on that. If the trend to the south continues, we may be stuck in a very dry pattern here as well. And as far as the extended outlook, you can see the 6 to 10 day outlook calls for warmer than normal temperatures and above normal precipitation. And if we slide that to the 8 to 14 day, much the same. Looks like warm and reasonably moist, hopefully. And hopefully this does materialize. But certainly plenty of growing degree days. Again, never was going to be an issue. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day. And 73s to all.